What is the secret to getting more compliments with fragrances? Let's discuss. Hey everyone, Dave here with Fragrance Bros, bringing you the best quality content about fragrance related stuff. Today we're doing a video in my basics series, which answers all your questions about fragrance and cologne. Today we're asking and answering the question, how do you get more compliments with fragrances? What is the key to getting more compliments? Now, first off, let me just say that I don't think that you need to be obsessed about compliments. Many people will disagree with that, but I think that if you're wearing a fragrance really just to impress people, you're doing it wrong. You only need a couple of fragrances if you're doing that. I think you can use fragrances for a number of reasons besides just compliments. Compliments are just one side of it. But who doesn't like getting a compliment? Come on. It's always nice to get a compliment saying you smell great. With that said, how do you get more compliments? Well, you could, in theory, go up to every single person that you come in contact with and ask them what they thought about a fragrance and see if they liked it. Then you would have to kind of just wear a fragrance at their whim and you would have no control over it. But I think really the key to getting more compliments with fragrances is just one step away, and that is spray more. That's it. Now, there are many fragrances out there that are really good for compliments because they're kind of just people pleasers. And what I mean by that is that they don't kind of rock the boat. They're not wild and crazy. They're generally just kind of fresh and clean, nice. Maybe they have some sweet elements in there, but that's about it. But I think that you can wear your favorite scents, even the ones that are a little crazy out there. All you have to do is just wear a little bit more fragrance. I don't think that you have to be gun shy when spraying a fragrance. A lot of people out there are really afraid to overspray, thinking they're gonna be the cologne guy and kind of stink up the room and people are all gonna, you're gonna be kind of an outcast. I don't think that needs to be the case. Most people, I think, underspray. I usually tell people that I wear 4 sprays on my skin, and sometimes that makes people's eyes bulge out of their sockets, thinking I wear it way too much. But then at the same time, they usually don't smell a lot of me. They usually say if they smell me, it's the perfect amount. And there have been other times when I wore a fragrance that is louder, and I'll get compliments from that. I think that if you have a fragrance at all, people really notice that, and they really give you a compliment because it's just outside of the ordinary. So you can wear a fragrance with confidence knowing that all you have to do is spray more. If you're not getting compliments with the fragrance that you're wearing, experiment a little bit and just spray a couple more sprays on you. Start off small and see if that doesn't work. I'd like to thank my sponsor, Fragrance X, for sponsoring this video. Fragrance X is an online retailer that sells thousands of legitimate products at a reduced cost. I've bought from them and I trust them, so I can recommend them to you. If you're looking for a fragrance that you want to get compliments on, go to Fragrance X. I'll have a link down below to them as well as a coupon, so you can take some cash off your purchase there. So yeah, let me know, how many sprays do you wear? And is that enough? Do you get compliments with your fragrance? What is a fragrance that you wear that you get a lot of compliments from? I have fragrances that I wear that I get typically a lot of compliments, but usually if I just spray more, the compliments roll in. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions that you'd like me to answer, you can email me. I'll have a link down below to that, and I'll get to those questions as soon as I can. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. I'm Dave with the Fragrance Bros. Bye. Thanks everyone for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to check out my other channel, Beast Made Reviews, where me and a friend review high quality products for men. You might like it. Go check it out.